Hey, welcome to my workshop. Today I wanted to show you a really quick tip on something you can do with a lot of that junk wood that you might end up with. So recently I got a lot of wood from my family, and it was a lot of plywood pieces, kind of random cuts, random offcuts, a lot of hardwoods, some plank boards, and I've been able to use a lot of that stuff. But something that was kind of mixed into a lot of that was that cheap particle board that you get from some of those office supply stores that they make desk, or they'll make a printer cabinet with, and when those things break you tend to just throw it away. But I kind of thought, I'm going to try to use this stuff for something that I've been wanting to make for a while, and so I made a template. You know, this stuff obviously is not going to move, it's not going to warp, it's not going to change over time, unless obviously if it gets wet it will totally mess up. But I'm wanting to kind of make a lot more of these cutting boards and actually sell them. But to make repetitive cuts, I wanted to have a template versus just trying to use paper every time, because obviously the paper won't last. Can't hang the paper on the wall. I can hang this on a wall right here. And so I've already used this, and I've made one so far, and it's turned out really good. And it's not quite done yet. There will be a video soon if it hasn't already been published since this video. But I just wanted to share with you the tip of using some of that junk wood to make templates. You can make templates for a ton of stuff. I've even made out of some leftover Luan that you put on floors. I've made a template for my wooden spatula I made a long time ago, because this isn't going to warp, it's not going to bend, it's not going to mess up. In fact, this was actually a piece from a cabinet company that we did some work for. My company did some work for, and they were just throwing a lot of stuff away, and I snagged that, and so one side's actually got a pretty nice cabinet finish. But this has turned out to be a real good thing. So my tip is to save some of that scrap junk wood that you would typically just throw away, primarily like MDF stuff, or that particle board that's been smashed together with a lot of glue, or real thin pieces of plywood. And keep some pieces handy just in case you need to make a template for something that you want to be able to use repeatedly without it getting a lot of wear and tear. So I hope this tip helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.